Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hazelnuts in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent temperature for even roasting. Next, take your raw, unshelled hazelnuts and spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure they aren't overlapping, as this allows each hazelnut to roast perfectly. This simple preparation is key to achieving that delicious, nutty flavor. Now, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. You'll want to roast them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on them, as they can go from perfectly roasted to burnt quite quickly. You'll notice the skins starting to crack and loosen, and a wonderful, rich, nutty aroma will begin to fill your kitchen. This is your cue that they are almost ready. Once roasted, immediately transfer the hot hazelnuts from the baking sheet onto a clean kitchen towel. Fold the towel over them, creating a little pouch. Now, rub them vigorously within the towel. This friction helps to loosen and remove those papery skins. Don't worry if a few stubborn bits remain. A little skin is perfectly fine and won't affect the flavor or texture. After peeling, let your perfectly roasted hazelnuts cool completely. Once cool, transfer them to an airtight container. For optimal freshness and flavor, store them in a cool, dark place where they will keep well for up to 1 month. These delicious, crunchy nuts are fantastic in baked goods, sprinkled over salads, or simply enjoyed as a wholesome, satisfying snack. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.